Is recruiting for jobs abroad without a license a serious crime? See how Regina's illegal recruitment scam led to life in prison. Learn the decision of the Supreme Court entitled The People of the Philippines versus Regina Wendelina Begino y Rogero et al. GR number 251150, promulgated on March 16, 2022.
This is the 36th case out of the 160 cases decided by Associate Justice Mario Lopez, chairperson of the 2024 Philippine Bar Examinations. Follow for more.
Facts of the case. In September 2011, Milagros Osilla received information about job interviews for work abroad conducted by Regina Begino and Darwin Arevalo in Tabaco City, Albay. Begino and Arevalo were recruiting apple pickers for deployment in Canada. During subsequent meetings, Milagros paid various fees totaling P11,800 to Regina. Milagros shared this opportunity with her nieces, Maylene Canaveral and Geraldine Ojano, and friend Gloria Mape, who also met Regina and Darwin and paid substantial placement fees. Unfortunately, none of them were deployed to Canada or refunded their money. The National Bureau of Investigation, NBI, conducted an entrapment operation, arresting Regina for illegal recruitment activities. Index cards documenting payments from Milagros, Maylene, Geraldine, and Gloria were recovered from Regina. Consequently, Regina and Darwin were charged with large-scale illegal recruitment and 3 counts of estafa before the Regional Trial Court, RTC, specifically criminal case numbers 12,160, 12,161, 12,162, and 12,163. During the trial, the prosecution presented testimonies from Milagros, Maylene, Geraldine, and Gloria, as well as a certification from the Philippines Overseas Employment Administration, POEA, confirming that Regina and Darwin were not licensed to recruit workers abroad. Regina denied the accusations and claimed to be a victim of Darwin's deceit. On December 4, 2017, the RTC found Regina guilty of large-scale illegal recruitment and 3 counts of estafa. She was sentenced to life imprisonment and ordered to pay various fines. The RTC's decision was partially revised under Republic Act No. 10,951, reducing some penalties due to the amounts involved in the estafa cases. Regina appealed to the Court of Appeals, CA, questioning only her conviction for large-scale illegal recruitment. The CA affirmed the RTC's decision. Regina then elevated the case to the Supreme Court, reiterating her defense that the prosecution failed to prove the elements of large-scale illegal recruitment.
Primary issue in the Supreme Court. The primary issue was whether Regina Wendelina Begino y Rogero was guilty of large-scale illegal recruitment.
Decision of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court dismissed Regina's appeal, upholding the CA's decision and affirming her conviction for large-scale illegal recruitment. The court ruled that Regina actively engaged in recruitment activities without the necessary license or authority. She gave the complainants the impression of having the ability to deploy them abroad for work and received money as placement fees. The court rejected Regina's claim of being a victim of Darwin's machinations, noting her active role in the recruitment process. The court also corrected the penalties for the estafa charges under RA No. 10,951, noting some errors in the RTC's computation. However, since Regina did not appeal these cases, the erroneous judgments became final and could not be corrected. Important doctrines. 1. Large-scale illegal recruitment. This case reaffirms the definition of large-scale illegal recruitment as engaging in recruitment activities without a license or authority, particularly when it involves 3 or more persons. The ruling emphasizes the severe consequences of such actions, including life imprisonment.
2. Credibility of testimonies. The Supreme Court places high regard on the credibility of witnesses' testimonies, especially when affirmed by lower courts, unless there are significant facts or circumstances that have been overlooked.
3. Penalty adjustment under RA No. 10,951. The court's decision highlights the importance of accurate penalty computation under the law, particularly RA number 10951, which adjusts penalties based on the value of property or damage involved in the crime.
Four. Finality of judgment. The ruling underscores the principle that an unappealed judgment, even if erroneous in penalty computation, becomes final and executory, and cannot be corrected on appeal.